This is Tara's dorm.
Yeah.
Grandma and Grandpa are visiting today.
Why are you guys laughing?
I thought maybe there was about 6 or 8 people in here. Look at the clothes. Oh, God.
This is your pantry, Dennis.
Now wait a minute. Where's your bed? Which,
Right here.
Which bed?
Tara's
This is Tara's bed?
Yeah.
And what's that stuff underneath?
Oh, okay, then under my bed, I have my refrigerator, my pot.
Oh.
All those are mine. All the drawers are mine. All the shelves are mine.
See,
How
this,
can you ever
his
move
room.
in there. In the drawer. Right there,
It's going to take you 6 months to move her out.
You will need a semi-truck when she comes
That's,
home.
that's why the last time we came
Oh,
out
you're not gonna need a
here,
semi.
they wanted me to bring this chair. So where are we going to put the chair?
Oh, you brought the chair.
She needed someplace comfortable to study. You think this kid has got everything she needs and then some?
Your mother don't have this much stuff at all.
This is.
Oh,
she's
she does too.
She's got her computer, but then she's got her TV, her.
This is the
They all
food. here.
started writing.
Tara, why didn't you put like you know, are you supposed to stack these crates? Aren't you?
Tara, where do you want this?
Oh, you just gotta go in the refrigerator.
You know, I had to go to
Oh, no, it
Walgreens,
doesn't.
and then I walked in the store for that.
Oh, these are.
Yeah.
Alright, let's put it in the aisle.
Then turn around, hon.
Oh wait, this is what I slammed my finger.
Tara,
Remember
why
I
don't you
told you?
That's cute.
Turn around and put your arm around Mom so I can get on film here. It's about to die.
Choker.
There you go. There
Yes,
you
like I
go.
wallpapered that myself.
You did a beautiful job.
Oh.
Tara, why don't you tell Grandma what else is right around here?
Now, what are these homes, Tara? People rent?
That's like the
Ferrari?